How to connect Etsy with Printify. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to connect Etsy with Printify. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I already have my Etsy being signed into my web browser. So that's the very first thing that you need to do. Sign in to your Etsy account. After you've logged into your Etsy account, the next thing that you're going to do is that now in a separate browser, sign in to your Printify account. Once you've signed in, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your profile icon. Once clicked, go to My Stores. Here in My Stores, you can actually see Add New Store button in this section. So click on Add New Store. After that, you can actually see all the channels that you can connect to your Printify. Say for example, Etsy. So click on Etsy right here. And since we have our Etsy signed in already, it will directly connect us to our Etsy store. However, if this is your first time, then you would need to grant access from your Etsy to your Printify to be connected. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.